What's up guys, my name is Joe and in today's episode, again, I'm going to be reviewing the Choi Tech Power to the Best power adapter and the Choi Tech Power to the Best USB-C cable. So if you're interested, stick with me. Alright guys, so this company sent me these two products and usually I don't do reviews of minor products, but I was actually looking for a replacement for my Mac charger. Not a replacement, an extra charger, so I can have one in my office, at home. I don't have to take my chargers with me. This can be a solution. And here's the box. The box says this is a USB-C power adapter. It is AC 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, and 1.5 amperes. That is the max. DC 5 volts, 3 amperes, 9 volts, 3 amperes, 12 volts, 3 amperes, 15 volts, 3 amperes, and 20 volts, 3 amperes. And it is a 60 watt power adapter. Now, we don't need to talk about the packaging because it's not really important. Here is the product. This is a very nice product. Let's listen to the plastic. Oh, I love that sound. So it's very nice. It's very slim, as you can see. It's smaller than a MacBook charger, but there's something I can do. Can I change it? Wow, look at this. Oh, that really hurt. So you could actually take off the European side, and under it you see a US power charger or power adapter. Really like a MacBook charger. You just go puff. But if you need a converter, you just go on and you have the European version. I think this is a very, very nice solution. I don't know why Apple's not thinking of these things. I like it really much. Now, for this little product, I say it has the USB-C stuff on the back. You can see the logo on this side, and basically that's it. They also sent me this USB-C power adapter, or not power adapter, cable, which I'm going to open. It's good quality. It's braided. It has this little Velcro on it, so it can be nice and organized at all times. Oh, cool. You can either leave it on or take it off. And it's long. It's really long, as you can see. Really good quality. So all you gotta do is plug it in there and plug it into your MacBook and you're done. What you can see over here is they say it's a 30-day return for any reason. So if you have any problems with the cable, you can return it for 1 month. 18-month warranty and lifetime technical support. Well, for a cable, I don't know what kind of technical support you might need. If I try to, break it, I can't. It's braided. It's really good quality. I'm happy about this. Thank you very much, Tech, for sending this over, guys. If you're interested, link down in the description below. As a point of reference, I have Apple's 61-watt charger right over here. As you can see, this is a lot smaller, like a lot smaller. And with Apple, you actually need to take off the head and replace it with another one. Over here, it's really cool and combined the European with the American. You don't need any other extensions. You actually get two kind of outlets built into one. I think this solution is a lot better than Apple's. Although this is really nice, the white, and the quality is really good. This is, this is actually plastic too, but really good quality plastic. You can feel that this is plastic, but actually you don't care. It's just like a charger. Now, what you can see over here on an Apple charger is how yellow it gets. This charger had like maybe 700 cycles. I want to see what happens to this one after like 700 cycles. In terms of length, they are the same length over here. If I pull it out, well, Apple's maybe, I don't know, about 10 centimeters longer. So there you have it. But this cable works with Apple's charger, and Apple's cable works with the Chinotech or Choitech charger. So it's all compatible with everything. I really like this this charger. I suggest it to everybody. So if you're thinking of upgrading or getting a second one, this is the way to go. I believe so. It charges your MacBook perfectly. It charges pretty fast, so you don't have to worry about that. Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you're interested in more products like this, then be sure to hit the subscribe button. And until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.